16 fluid-ounce pump bottle of Lubriderm Intense Dry, Rough Skin Repair Lotion formulated to intensely hydrate to help restore dry skin and to smooth and soften skin. Fast-absorbing lotion formula is clinically shown to help moisturize dry, rough skin for 24 hours for all-day relief. Enriched with skin essential minerals and Hydrarelease Technology, Intense Dry Skin Repair Lotion is specially formulated to help relieve rough, dry skin. Daily lotion helps enhance your skin's own moisture barrier for better hydration, so skin's appearance is left visibly improved. Intense Moisturizing Skin Repair Lotion from Lubriderm, a dermatologist-developed brand, helps to achieve healthy-looking skin. Help soften and smooth your skin with Lubriderm Intense Skin Repair Lotion, specially formulated to help relieve rough, dry skin. From a dermatologist-developed brand, this lotion is enriched with skin essential minerals and Hydrarelease technology to intensely hydrate and help repair dry skin. This fast-absorbing formula is clinically shown to help moisturize dry, rough skin for 24 hours to help provide all-day relief. It also helps strengthen your skin's own moisture barrier for better hydration, so skin's appearance is left visibly improved. From Lubriderm, a dermatologist-developed brand, Intense Dry, Rough Skin Repair Lotion helps achieve healthy-looking skin. Top reviews from the United States. For a deeply dry skin. I have eczema and intense itching which dries out my skin. For those area I need more than the lighter Lubriderm. This works well. The scent is a little stronger than the other Lubriderm I use but not totally off-putting. I will buy again.